Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Okay, let me just review really well. Well, for starters, the gold market broke the neckline this morning and immediately broke $10 through the neckline. It's had a small bounce up. I see it trading around 1347, 1348 after trading down to like 1345 even. This projects, and looking at the chart, what I know about head and shoulder tops is you wait for a significant break of the neckline, and today's break was significant. I do believe this market will follow through lower. I believe you'll see what's the low? 1345. I believe you'll see a 1330 some trade. Most head and shoulder formations have some sort of return to the neckline, because this has two shoulders to it. I'm not sure if you're going to see that return. It depends on how far we fall through the neckline today. I mean, if we're talking get the market down into the teens, we may not see much of a return at all. The objective is 1260. That's where the technician will take 1/4 profits and move his trailing stops, looking for a continuation formation. If I look at the marketplace over the last week or so, 2 days ago I received sell signals in the soybeans and the soybean meal. They're down significantly. Last night I received a sell signal in the corn market. That's six plus cents lower overnight. And with the way that the dollar is strengthening and the gold market coming off, I would imagine the corn market's going to open up at least 10 cents lower. You probably calling the beans 10 to 12 to 15 cents lower. 2 days ago, I received a sell signal in live cattle, and that market proceeded lower yesterday and is lower again overnight. So we're seeing a lot of these commodities, finally turn. The tide has turned, and now it's just a matter of accelerating to the downside. What did I receive last night? Very interesting sell signals. 2 days ago in the Canadian dollar, and that's been a very nice trade. I actually took small profits while I slept, and the market bounced slightly, and now that's even backing off again. I'm looking for these currencies, the euro and the pound, to back off, and this will drag commodities down with it. What else did I receive last night? I received sell signals in the SPOOs and the NASDAQ and the mid cap. My trading system says, and crude oil. I received a sell signal of crude oil yesterday. That's down $1.20. I mean, that's been a nice trade this morning, and I'm basically running that one. I was looking for this sell signal, especially with what was going on in Alaska with this leak. It was just a supply factor, which drove the price up like $3-4. So this is going to be a nice one. All of these commodity trades, I'm running them. I am definitely running them. So, when you get on one, that's how you trade it. As for the indices, we will see what today brings. I mean, we will truly see what today brings. I'm bearish, and with these commodities coming off like this, I think the boys are going to look at these markets as well, and say, you know what, it's time to start taking some profits all around the board. So this is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. If you want to get on my mailing list for these system trades, this is a system that I wrote, and I wrote it about 5 years ago, and it was designed to capture trades in the 12 hour to 72-hour time period, maybe a little bit longer. A friend of mine who I've worked with on this prefers to take, when the trade comes right, to take 75 to 80% of the position off and then just run the remainder. I like more of the quick hit, but quick hit 2 to 3 days. That's not quick, but I mean, from a pit trader who was in a trade for 2 to 3 minutes or seconds, to run a trade for 2 to 3 days is a long trade for me. So that's about all I have. Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Good luck today. I think this stuff falls out of bed.